Hello, San Diego City College students. Today I will be showing you how to make an e-appointment with a counselor. We're going to start off at our sdcity.edu/students/services/online, which is where we are offering all of our remote online student services. We will go down to counseling, then click on request an appointment through eSARS. This is our online scheduling service. In order to make an e-appointment, you have to make sure that you meet the following criteria. You must have an active SDCCD application. If you're an incoming new student, you should complete the new student orientation, currently taking or have previously taken classes at City College. Transcripts of all prior colleges attended are available for your session. The email address in my SDCCD portal is current and accurate. Please log into your portal to check this. And lastly, you need to read the online counseling terms and conditions and the privacy statement. If you click on this, it will take you to the informed consent statement. Make sure that you read through this whole informed consent. One thing to take in consideration is that you may not record your scheduled session with the counselor without the counselor's consent. If you keep scrolling down, you will continue to have additional privacy protection information. Once you completed reading thoroughly, you will go back to this website. You will go down here and click I agree. Once you click on I agree, your online appointment is going to appear. You're going to input your student ID number and your date of birth, and then you will sign in. Let's go ahead and schedule appointment. And for the purpose of this, I'm going to schedule an appointment on a Friday. I'm just going to say anytime, and I'm going to book it with myself. I have 2 available appointments May 1st. So I will go ahead and click the 9:30 appointment. You will select the purpose of the session. In this case, I would like some career information. I'm going to go ahead and put all of your information. Is going to self-populate. If it's not correct, make sure it is. Then let's go ahead and click continue. And our appointment has been set. This appointment is for Friday, May 1st, 2020 at 9:30 a.m. You will receive an email confirming your session, and in that confirmation email, you will receive the link to the Zoom appointment. You will also receive a reminder. Now let's go back. You want to make sure that you log out of your account once you're completed. Also, if you need to view or cancel your appointments, you can click on this. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this appointment. In order to cancel, you just click cancel appointment. Cancel online appointment by student. Continue. And don't forget to log out. Thank you for watching today.